I became rich once I learned these 3 things. I am Tiffany Thomas, a financially free millionaire. If you're looking to become one of those, make sure and hit that like button and hit the subscribe button, and we're going to dive right in. All right, today's video is really exciting. I'm going to share the 3 main things I did to become rich or become wealthy, because there are a lot of different things that we can be focusing our time on and putting our money toward, but they may not help us get any wealthier. The first thing that I learned to help me become rich was that I needed to be investing my money. I was really good at saving my money. I had thousands and thousands of dollars sitting in my saving account for a really long time. But once I realized that I would not become financially free or be able to retire, I started investing my money. And yes, I did start small when I started investing, but I increased over time. And if you want to start small with investing your money, you can start with $5. I have another video that breaks down exactly how to do this. I will leave a link above. You can check that out later on. But seriously, if we are only saving our money, there is no way we are going to become rich. And yes, there are different ways to invest our money. In the beginning, it's a lot of investing in our own education, in money-making skills, or even our mindset. We can put our money toward things that are going to help us increase our income over time and have a better belief system over time. I know for me, I've invested in a few different courses on how to grow your YouTube channel or how to grow a business. I've also spent money on self-improvement books that I really love reading. And I've also gotten a lot of free content. I have the library app and a library nearby. So I've checked out a lot of books from the library, whether it is a physical book or just a book on their app. So we can invest in education. And once we have those skills, once we are making money, we can put that money toward something that's going to make our money work for us. I personally like investing in the stock market and in real estate. By investing in those 2 things, I've been able to grow my net worth to over $1 million. And I was able to become financially free in my 30s. And if you want more information about how I invested in real estate, I have another video. I'll leave a link above. The second thing that I have learned that helped me become rich was to continue investing my money. I did not buy just one real estate property and stop there. I bought multiple stocks, and for me personally, I don't have more than 10 stocks. I think that is plenty of businesses for me to keep an eye on. And then I also invest in an index fund, and if you want to know more about that fund, I have a video about that. I'll leave a link above. And still, even today, I continue to invest in the stock market. I have an automatic transfer that goes from my checking account into my brokerage account, which then gets auto invests into the index funds that I prefer. So I don't have to think about investing every single month. Yes, when the stock market is down, I can think, oh, do I have extra money? I can put extra money into the stock market. And then with real estate, when I purchased my first property and had 2 roommates living there with me, I saw the potential of investing in real estate. So I decided to buy another property. And when that one was doing well, I thought, oh, why have I not been doing more of this? So I purchased a 3rd property and then a 4th property. I invested in real estate until I was able to become financially free. And then the 3rd thing that helped me become rich or become wealthy was to continue to do what I'm good at. There were times when I wanted to change up my strategy with investing, but I decided not to, and I'm glad that I didn't. With the stock market, I thought about day trading, and I actually talked to someone that was day trading, and he ended up losing big one day, and so he completely quit day trading. He said it was just way too stressful for him. And I thought, that is a good point. That is a lot of stress that you're putting on yourself when you are day trading, when you are trying to make money instantly. So I decided to keep my investments for the long term. And then with real estate, I buy and hold properties. I haven't done any fix and flips. The buy and hold strategy is what has worked for me, so I continue to do that. And I have thought about getting into Airbnb, but I haven't done that, and I may do it down the road. But when you are getting started, you really want to pick a strategy and just stick with it. You are going to be able to grow your investments a lot quicker because you aren't continually trying to learn different things. You're focusing on one strategy and getting really good at that. And later on down the road, when you are really good at certain strategies and you've become financially free, then you can switch up your strategy and switch to something else. But from what I've seen, it works if you focus on one strategy and get really good at that. Comment below and tell me what your favorite investment strategy is. Those are the 3 main things that helped me become rich. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and share it with someone else who would like to become rich or become wealthy. And make sure and hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the little bell to get notified on when I post new videos. And if you want to see even more content from me, make sure and check out the videos on the side of the screen. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.